Let's start. The project name is keyboard. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have two buttons, show keyboard and hide keyboard. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the show keyboard button. This is the hide keyboard button. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. The activity implements the onClick listener interface, which has a function called onClick, which we will use to handle the button click events. In the onCreate function, we set the onClick listeners of the two buttons. In the onClick function, when the show keyboard button is pressed, we call the show keyboard function. And when the hide keyboard button is pressed, we call the hide keyboard function. In the show keyboard function, this is how we show the keyboard if it is hidden. In the hide keyboard function, this is how we can hide the keyboard. In the Android manifest file, set the Windows Soft Input Mode attribute to adjust resize. This will adjust the UI according to when the keyboard is hidden and shown. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the show keyboard button, the keyboard gets visible. And when I click the hide keyboard button, the keyboard gets hidden. So that's it. That's how you can handle the keyboard in Java Android. Thanks for watching.